This is Lie-Nielsen Toolworks in Warren, Maine, makers of the finest woodworking tools in the world since 1981, but losing millions of dollars every year because nobody wanted to use the ERP system that they had invested $500,000 into. The system was so complex that it came with this 2,000-page manual. Would you want to read it? Never? Neither did they. So they ended up using pen, paper, stickies, spreadsheets, which led to months in back orders, pissed off customers, and millions in lost revenue. Not anymore. I'm Sharon, co-founder and CEO of Fulfill.io, the next generation ERP system that they use today. The centerpiece of this system is a smart assistant. Ask questions like, what is the inventory of a product? Or, what was the sales last year? And get answers instantly. Wouldn't it be awesome if it was this easy to find revenue of your portfolio companies right there in Slack? Not just that. This conversational interface sits on top of a fully customizable open platform that Lie-Nielsen used to fit their business like a glove. That helped them grow by 27% and cut their back orders by 11%. Results like this has helped us grow 22% month on month since we launched 8 months ago. We are already doing 100K in ARR, and we have a pipeline of 700K. This is possible because the founding team has years of experience working together, building, deploying, and managing traditional ERP systems. We know where they suck, and we know exactly how to fix that. Now, if you want to peek into the next generation ERP system, or want to know why Dan here, who's not very fond of computers, loves using Fulfill every day at work, come talk to us. Thank you.